Malware. Malware is a malicious software. It refers to software programs designed to damage or carry out other unwanted actions on a computer system. In Spanish, mal is a prefix that means bad, making the term badware, which is a good way to remember it. The different types of malware are virus, worm, Trojan horse, spyware, zombies, ransomware, rootkit, and backdoor. Virus. A computer virus is a piece of code or program developed to corrupt the data or program files stored on the computer system. It enters to the computer without permission of the user. The user of the computer may not even realize that the computer is affected by a virus. Viruses normally infect just one computer. However, if the computer is a part of a network, then the computer virus may spread to other systems, much like a human virus which transmits from one person to another. Worms. A computer worm is a type of malware that has the capability to replicate itself without any human interaction. It consumes lots of memory space in replication. Once a computer has been infected by a worm, its processing speed gets slowed down, works unexpectedly, and halts other tasks. A computer worm can spread itself from one computer to the other by replication process. Trojan horse. The purpose of a Trojan horse is to conceal itself inside the software that seems legitimate. When the software is installed on the system, the Trojan gets activated and infects the host system. Spyware. The primary function of spyware is to snoop on a user's activity and send back the information it gathers to a hacker. Spyware does not have any infection mechanisms. It is usually dropped by Trojans and also by viruses and worms. Once dropped, it installs itself on the victim's computer and sits there silently to avoid detection. Zombie. A zombie works in a similar way as spyware do. Although the infection mechanisms remain the same, a zombie does not usually collect information from the computer. Instead, it just sits there waiting for commands from the hacker. At times, hackers can infect tens of thousands of computers, turning them into zombie machines. Ransomware. Ransom is the money demanded to release the hostage kidnapped for the purpose. Similarly, ransomware is malicious software used to kidnap the data of the host system by encrypting it. The victim of the host system has to pay a huge amount of money to the attacker to get back access to data. Rootkit. Rootkit is a malware that gains administrator access to the host system. Once the attacker gains access to the system, the rootkit gets hidden but retains special access to the system. The detection of rootkit is difficult as having special access to the system. It bypasses the tracking software. Backdoor. Backdoor is a type of malicious software which enters into the computer through bundled with other software or files. It is used to gain remote access to the host computer.